I'm on my way to White Rhino Coffee to have some breakfast with Bianca and just catch up with her. We've both been so busy. I don't remember the last time we've hung out. You know what we need? We need like a good girls' night out. I am at North Park. I've got a holiday party tonight that I had a dress for and then tried it on and there was a hole in the dress and I was like, oh, cool, cool, cool. So I returned that. I'm gonna see if I have a backup dress, but I'm just gonna see what options are out there. Also gonna stop by Steve Madden and see what they got. I need a new pair of like nude basic heels and I just wanna see what they've got in stock. I freaking love Steve Madden so much. So let's go shopping. I ended up getting 2 pairs of shoes. Why does it say, oh, it says Blake. I thought it said black. I was like, no, I got the nude one. I wanted to get like 5, but I refrained. You guys. I was like, is it necessary? And I was like, but it's not necessary. So I only got 2. I updated my white sneakers because these are kind of dirty anyways, and it's nice to have like a dirty pair and then a clean pair. And then I got a pair of shoes for holiday party tonight. So I will show you guys what they look like when I get home. Hi, babies. Get down. Get down. Fresh out of the shower and my skin needs some extra moisturization with this winter weather. So I'm going to go in with the Lapis face oil that I love. This is my 2nd bottle. I broke the first one and it was devastating. It really was. And then I'm going to go in with Hourglass Equilibrium around the eyes. apologize a trillion times. You just looking so handsome. I just had to say hi. Okay, I love this long hair, but I think I'm gonna get it closer to my actual length when I go back because I just want it to look as natural as possible. I love having extensions. Like, as a girl with thin hair, you wanna play? Come here. As a girl with thin hair, having extensions just like gives me so much volume. I love it. I love the volume. Come here, baby. Oh, you think you slick, huh? You think you slick? So anyways, I love the long hair, but I'm already tired of it. It's been probably like 2 weeks. I think it's been 2 weeks total. I'm exhausted. I have 2 rows in right now, and I want to go down to 1 because it's so thick. I don't know if y'all can see, like, it probably doesn't look thick to you. Okay, anyways, the holiday party is tonight. What's on my sleeve? You better not. So I'm gonna get ready. It's 4, and I'm just gonna wear one of my old dresses because I don't have anything new. Ooh. I want to tan. That's why I'm going like, ooh, because I am so pale. So I'm gonna go put on some tanner real quick. No. Can I not have earrings? These are second best. I don't know what to do. These are what they are. I'm not gonna think about it. I'm not gonna think about it. I'm not gonna think about it. I am gonna drink about it. See if I can get a video of this fit without killing myself. This dress is so old. I'm not kidding. I think 2016. I'm gonna see if I can find the photo and the date. I paired it with this faux leather jacket from H&M, and then this is a eyelash bag from Velour that I'm just using as this little clutch bag. So, okay, on my way to the Stella's holiday party. Let's go. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I always take the stairs, team stairs. I don't know what else is wrong with me, but I am craving some chips and salsa right now. I just want some chips and salsa. I don't know why. Here's to going out even when you're tired. Oh my god. Oh my god, I thought someone was coming down the elevator. I was like, hi. I am totally sitting on the floor. chilling. We're gonna go to Royal 38 tonight, which is such a good place for cocktails, and they also have the best shrimp tacos that I've had in Dallas, period. They're so freaking good, and I really hope they're still serving them at night. It's almost 11.
No pictures.
Shut
I need to record you take this first bite.
It's so messy, don't stop recording.
I told you.
That's amazing. So dramatic.
Can we learn how to make this?
You guys understand. I am so tired. I'm about to sleep until I'm dead. I'm just kidding. Oh, I love my bed. Seriously, this mattress is from Amazon and it is the best mattress. I thought I left the light on. I was like, ugh, no. But anyways, best mattress on the planet. No, I'm not taking off these necklaces. I am tired. You ever get comfortable in bed, you're wrapped in your blankets, you literally do not want to move, and you realize you forgot to turn the fan on? Ugh. This is trash. This. Oh my god. Okay, I'm going to bed. Today was such a good day. Today was such a good day. And I got a lot done. I'm about to pass out, so good night.